You're looking at a 1995 Entwistle Company MIL-T-83808 4x2 Flightline aircraft tow tractor. The odometer reads 28,429 miles, and there are 3,752.8 hours on the meter. Powered by a Dodge Ram 2500 Cummins 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine driven through an automatic transmission. Vehicle starts, runs, and drives. Equipped with manual windows, door locks, and mirrors. AM/FM cassette, and working AC and heat. Sold as is, where is. Buyer is responsible for removal by appointment only. Liquidity Services, a better future for surplus.